Hi everybody, this is Agnes from Sediment, and today we are in one of the 20 winemaking regions of Italy, Piemonte. Piemonte means at the foot of the mountains, and in clear day, which is rare, you can even get to see the Alps. The number one most planted red grape variety here is Barbera. It is a known grape variety to have very high acidity and lower levels of tannins. It also develops quite deep color. Another important red grape variety of Piemonte is Dolcetto, known to be the little sweet one. It creates easy drinking, fruit-driven red wines for immediate appeal. One of the highly prized red grape varieties of Piemonte is Nebbiolo. It is responsible for wines such as Barolo and Barbaresco. These wines are rich, full-bodied and powerful red wines capable of long cellaring. One of the most recent additions of DOCG in Piemonte is Alta Langa. It is wine dedicated to bottle-fermented sparkling wines made from Chardonnay and Pinot Noir grape varieties. As in other winemaking regions of Italy, international grape varieties also play an important part here in Piemonte. Grapes such as Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc, Syrah, Merlot and Cabernet Sauvignon are found here. When it comes to dry white wines, Gavi is one of the best known. It is made from Cortese grape variety. These wines tend to be fresh, fruit-driven and quite zesty. Piemonte is also home to fizzy and sparkling sweet wines, one of the best being Asti. However, more artisanal and unique to this region is Brachetto di Acqui and MOSCATO di Asti. MOSCATO di Asti is quite unique wine because it is more fizzy than it is sparkling, and it does not develop higher alcohol than 6%. It is perfect for different sweets.